Pretty wet. Those are the two springs coming out of those pipes. Above that is water that's been flowing from the washes. Most of that's over here. Surprisingly, on this hillside. Yeah, this hillside is seeping. And that goes in down to this sump. The upper wash right there is flowing a little bit, but the majority is coming from this little area over here. Of course, that flows through to this sump area. And that's filling up a little bit there, but not enough to go out the pipe yet. Pretty wet, a year's worth of rain in a week, but controlled, nothing majorly ugly like